Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Marketing Software's channel. Today's video, I will continue to give you how to be able to build a Facebook account, support you seeding ads on the platform. Here, I will guide you how to be able to make friends automatically in bulk with MKT Care software and MKT UID software. First, with MKT UID software, you can scan a large amount of customer data. For example, here I can do a batch scan of all the comments of an article. I will find the articles that fit the topic or the needs of your customer portraits. I will copy the UID of the article and select the feature to scan the article comments. I'll paste the UID into the software. Next, you will give yourself a Facebook account that you have added to the software to use to scan. Enter the number of comments you want to scan. Then you click Start. I'm going to fast forward this part. After scanning, the software will pay you the information such as comment ID, profile or customer name, the content of customer comments. I will export Excel files so that I can easily filter data and manage. In addition, the software also has many other scanning features that support you get a very large data file. For example, scanning group data, scanning group member data, scanning followers of any account or scanning friends. Here, after I export the raw data, I will copy the entire UID profile list. I'll use this UID list to make friends automatically. I will switch to MKT Care software. Software will support you manage unlimited Facebook accounts, feed accounts directly on the software, support you to post automatically, comment automatically. You will select Give Yourself the Friend feature and select the Facebook account file that you want to run. This is the Facebook account that I added for demo. Next, you will paste the UID into the software. Here you will select the accounts you have added. Set up Give Yourself the configuration to send friends, such as the time interval or the number of friends per account. Delete the UID after a successful friend or make a friend with the same UID. You'll finally click Start. The software will run with the hidden running mechanisms, but you will not worry about spam. Do not worry about restricting the account lock. You should use a proxy to change IP for each account when you deploy large numbers. Each existing Facebook account can add up to 5,000 friends. Facebook account is not only a place for you to entertain, but can support you to deploy marketing ads on the platform. Support for business or as a business. You just need to make the right friends with the customer file and then post to the personal page that has reached the right guests in need. If you're interested in the software, or if you're looking for more support on the Facebook platform and advertising support strategies on the platform, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp below the description. Thank you for following the video and see you in the next video.